Let me show you how to reset these F9-5 wireless earbuds. So maybe if you have some problems or only one is working, or maybe you want to connect them to a new phone. So really all you have to do is simply take them out and then go to your phone settings. So if you have already paired them, we can simply unpair and essentially forget them, and that also will kind of reset them, and you will be basically able to pair with another phone or pair with your old phone. And this also will fix a lot of issues where, for example, maybe one is only working. So we can go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and near the Bluetooth settings, click the settings range basically, and then make sure you click this forget icon. Also, if you have basically some troubles with these earphones, also make sure if you have these enabled, so the phone calls and also the media audio. So if they do not play, for example, the sound or phone calls do not work, make sure you have this stuff enabled in the Bluetooth settings. But again, we can simply click this forget, and they'll be disconnected and forgotten basically from a phone. And as you see, basically it started to basically enter this pairing mode, and we can pair them from fresh essentially. So again, this works on Android and iPhones. So we can click again pair new device on our phone, and it should find shortly. Okay, actually, if you do not see them here when you disconnect them, make sure to actually place them inside, wait a few seconds, and then take them outside. So this is a process. They need to be inserted and taken out, and then you should be able to find this TWS 5.3, and they should connect shortly. Okay, allow this stuff if you want, and basically this resets them, and also yeah, we can pair with another phone as well. So again, there is no dedicated reset mode or like reset button on the earphones, and this is the only way we can reset them. So simply unpair them and pair them back using the forget function on your phone basically. And same for iPhone. So this is the same process for an iPhone. So simply again forget them and connect again. Anyway, good luck.